Okay, boys. Here we go. Are you ready, Dad?
I'm ready.
You ready?
We're ready.
All right, here we go. No check engine light.
Come on here.
What?
Come on here. Don't rev it up.
I thought that's what you said.
Let it open.
We're bleeding the clutch right now, and it's kind of like brakes. It's really weird. I've never done this before, but the car is like on and off ticking, and I'm thinking it's the injectors. But the clutch is slowly but surely coming back, and everything looks fine, and it's getting super excited. So, I mean, you can hear the ticking a little bit, but that's the injectors, because literally everything is brand new. So yeah, we're just doing this, and we'll be on the road tonight pretty much. I mean, I think so. It's got a little starter problem we got to figure out. Check engine light is on. Hey guys, we have to, the starter, it doesn't disengage fast enough, so we have to try to shim it, and if it doesn't work with the shim, we have to replace the starter. But that is only two possibilities for that. The speedometer isn't working right now, but that, I'm assuming, is just a plug. And then the clutch, we got to figure out the clutch pedal, and there's a line that we can adjust the tension on it, so we're going to do that, and that's all we have left to do, and I'll be driving this bad boy. So just basically that's all we got to do, and I'll show you guys me driving it, I guess. Hey guys, I actually got it drove. I filled up the transmission fluid, my dad and I did, and it shifts 100 times better. I have to replace the front brakes because one brake pad broke, so I have to replace those. It's really squeaking really bad, and we got to figure out the starter. Half of my half of my gauge cluster doesn't even work, so I got to figure that out. I'm gonna ask Scott O'Reilly. I'm gonna make sure this problem with the starter, it's not disengaging fast enough. We might have to replace the starter, but once I get all that figured out, I'll tell you guys what's up with it, and I'll get you guys a video of me driving the car. My dad will be sitting in the passenger seat. He'll be recording for me and show you how it shifts and everything. So guys, picked up a new starter. There it is. I just did the front brakes because the other ones were butt cheeks, and right now I'm waiting on my dad because he wants to be here when we put that in. But I'm just basically cleaning up the splash guards just to pass time. But my sensor, it's back here. It's the speed sensor. That should be coming in soon, like in literally the next hour. But yeah, here's our progress so far. Hopefully the starter fixes problem. We really don't know what to do if it doesn't fix the problem, but hopefully it does. And then with the speed sensor, it should fix that, and then I'm ready to go. And then there we go. I get a full 360, or like 270, I guess. All the way look around. If you have any questions about what I did, just ask down below, and I'll be happy to help. Got the speed sensor in. There's that. And it's from Rock Auto, so let's just pray that it's the right part. Actually guys, I didn't have a speed sensor problem. I had the map sensor and the speed sensor plugs switched. So if half of your gauge cluster doesn't work, that includes your odometer and your speed sensor, your speedometer, then the speed sensor is working, or it worked before, check your map sensor, which is right on top of your throttle body, switch that with your speed sensor, and that's what worked for me. Hey guys, we got her done. Go ahead and see we're driving, and it shifts great, just like that, and we're rolling. Might go to a car meet tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. Hey guys, thanks for coming along on the journey, rebuilding my engine. The car is running great. We fixed the speed sensor problem, as I had stated previously. It's my dog. But overall, with the rebuild kit, Partsology, definitely recommend. I've got about 1,000 miles into it, no problems. Lifters are still not ticking. Definitely would recommend you know, you need to have somebody with you that if you don't know 100% what you're doing, make sure you have somebody that does, and that you have somebody to help you at all times, because, you know, if the transmission falls on you or something, you know, accident happens, you're there alone, you know, you can't save yourself. But that being said, it was about $1,000 roughly with the whole rebuild, clutch, you know, just odd and end stuff that I had to buy, just, you know, baggies. Everything that it took me was around $1,000. Again, thank you guys for coming on the journey. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, you know, you just comment down below. And like the video, share the video. If you guys want to see more things, whether it's, you know, just your opinion, let me know. I'd love to be, you know, I'd love to hear your opinions and how open you guys can be. So subscribe, like, you know, comment what you want to see future. You know, I got a month from now I'm going to put in a video. You know, my car turns a year. I've had it a year long. So anyway, thank you guys for coming along with this journey. Hopefully I get rebuilding another engine soon. And thank you guys for that too. So it's been real. Thank you guys.